You're the one, you quarter pounder people.
My dad's a policeman.
My dad's a fireman.
Oh, yeah? Well, my dad's a quarter pounder person.
You're the one, you quarter pounder people.
Okay, Johnny, that's 102 and a quarter pounds. Where'd you pick up that extra quarter?
McDonald's Quarter Pounder and Quarter Pounder with cheese. A big quarter pound of juicy, lean 100% beef on a sesame seed bun. A quarter pounder person knows there's just one quarter pounder and just one place to get one.
A quarter pounder person has a smile a mile around. There's lots of quarter pounder people, just one place they can be found.
You know how I first knew I was a quarter pounder person? Every day at 12 o'clock I turned into a McDonald's.
At McDonald's, quarter pounder people, we do it all for you.